In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily, in a couple of clicks, add a web page from Safari web browser to Notes application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then head over to a web page. Let it be that one. Once you are on a web page, you can easily add that web page to Notes app in a couple of clicks. To do that, you need to tap right here at Share. Then scroll down until you find Add to Quick Note. Then tap on it. It will generate new note in Notes app with that link attached, that actually a link to that particular web page. Down below here we can add our comment. We can write down here any text, we can attach any photos, we can highlight the text, all that stuff we usually do while creating notes in Notes application. And then to continue and to save that note, we just need to tap at Save, and then we'll be taken back to our web browser and we can continue surfing any web pages. However, if later in the future we go to Notes app, we can find that note that we have created with that kind of URL box located over here at the very top. We can tap on that box to head over to a web page. And then also we can easily find all our quick notes right over here at that quick notes folder. If we get into it, we'll get all our quick notes here. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.